On this 2010 to 2015 Honda Civic with the 1.8 gas engine, P16F7 is for the starter inhibitor relay being stuck on. In plain language, the ECM/PCM may be seeing starter inhibit circuit behavior that does not match the clutch pedal and relay state it expects. The vehicle may have an intermittent no crank, may not crank when expected, or may simply store the code. The likely fault areas can include the inhibitor relay, clutch pedal position, switch a signal circuit, wiring between those components and the ECM, or a short to power on the relay control side. Start with the basic system checks, then work through the code path in order. First, try to duplicate the fault. Select on mode with the engine start/stop button, clear the code with the HDS, then select OFF mode. Release the clutch pedal. Now select on mode again without pressing the clutch pedal and check the HDS for pending or confirmed codes. If P16F7 comes right back, the failure is duplicated, so move on to the clutch pedal switch data check. If it does not come back, treat it as intermittent for now. In that case, check for poor connections or loose terminals at the inhibitor relay, clutch pedal position switch A, and the ECM. If captured data is available for this code, try to reproduce the same conditions instead of guessing. Next, look at clutch pedal position switch A in the HDS data list. Press and release the clutch pedal while watching the data. The scan data should show close with the clutch pedal pressed and open with the clutch pedal released. If the data responds correctly, continue to the relay check. If it does not, the diagnostic path points to repairing an open in the ATP-NP wire between clutch pedal position switch A and the ECM at A18. If the clutch switch data is correct, turn the vehicle OFF and remove the inhibitor relay from the underhood fuse and relay box. Then test the inhibitor relay. If the relay tests OK, continue to the INH/RLY short to power check. If the relay does not test OK, replace the inhibitor relay. One important limitation here: the exact relay bench test procedure and pass-fail details are not included in this diagnostic path, so do not invent that test. Use a known correct relay test method before condemning the relay. With the inhibitor relay still disconnected, select on mode. Measure voltage on the INH/RLY circuit between the inhibitor relay 4P socket No. 2 and body ground. The decision point is 0, 1V or less. If the reading is 0, 1V or less, the INH/RLY wire is considered OK, and the path points back toward a short in the ATP-NP wire between the inhibitor relay, clutch pedal position switch A, and the ECM side of the circuit. If the reading is more than 0, 1V, repair a short to power in the INH/RLY wire between starter cut relay 1, starter cut relay 2, and the inhibitor relay. Keep verification separate from the circuit testing. After the correction is made, clear the code and run the same verification sequence again. On mode, clear with the HDS, OFF mode, release the clutch pedal, then on mode without pressing the clutch pedal, and check for pending or confirmed P16F7. The takeaway is simple: prove the code first, confirm clutch switch logic, prove the relay. Then use the INH/RLY voltage check to separate a relay side short to power from the clutch switch signal side. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.